Hi, welcome to Studio 4 channel. In this tutorial we will show you how to model waffle structures. Box. Change the name of the layer. Change object layer. Front view. Ellipse. Perspective. Trim. Copy. Move -3 meters. Move 3 meters. Right view. Planar. Arc. Perspective. Hide the layer. Line. Network surface. Delete curves. Unhide the layer. Rotate 45 degrees. Boolean difference. Contour. Distance 0, 50 meters. Group curves. Contour. Distance 0, 50 meters. Group curves. Hide the layer. Extrude curves. Direction. Extrusion distance 0, 1 meters. Extrude curves. Extrusion distance 0, 1 meters. Delete curves. Rendered. Thanks for watching, see you next tutorial.